Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile 757. You know, I get down and get straight to the point in the dead of winter 2024. Customer is having problems with their vehicle, not starting or doing absolutely anything except the radio on the inside of the vehicle. It takes 5 volts for the inside of the vehicle to actually run. It takes a minimum of 9.5 to get that starter turned before you even come to the battery, and it has to have a surface charge of 12 volts. When you hit that key, you're going to put it into a draw. You're going to draw down on the battery because the starter motor is pulling on the battery. And if it goes below 9.5, you're going to get a click or absolutely nothing. And a lot of cars won't even let you take the key out of the ignition, especially the Chevys or GMC products. With that being said, I'm going to explain to you a little bit more about the battery. This is a Duralast battery. I can't see when it was actually made because I have this cover on it, but there's always a sticker that tells you the month and the year. But if you actually look right here, this tells you the size of the battery that's going to fit in this vehicle. This right here is the cold cranking amps. That is the power you need to crank this car over. And cranking amps, this is when it's cold, but when it's not cold, this is the cranking amps that you need right here. You also have a reserve time. On the reserve time, that is telling you when the alternator dies, that's all the power and time that you have to get to where you're going to be going. So I'll let you see the battery once again. Has great information on it. On this particular battery, the battery needs to be completely recharged. This car is never going to start or do absolutely nothing. This is a Volkswagen, especially these sophisticated cars. So I thought I'd share that with you. And this machine that I'm using will be in the description of the video. Go down to the descriptions of the video and look for, it says my favorite store and the tools that I use every day. And you will actually see this. Very good. Tests out the alternator, starter, and the battery. Very simple to use. Thank you. If you found any value in this video, please hit that super thanks button so we can give it back to help people who cannot afford all the repairs. Thank you.